So if you want to change the color of this filament, you have to do the following. On the computer, make sure that you're clicking Home, then Print Run, and then page down to Fronterface PY, and then double click on it. The three 3D printers are labeled 0, 1, and 2 in the software. So in this case, I want to change number 2's color. I'll head over to 2 in the drop down and hit connect. And then I'll hit the set heat button. I now have to wait for this tip to reach 230 degrees before I can continue. After the tip reaches 230 degrees, you can come over here and snip this cord. Again, that's the one coming out of this. Alright, then what you do is you lift up on this little beak, because it kind of looks like a bird. So you lift up on it, like that, very little force, and you lift it out of the way. Then you lower this door, and this plastic piece, you have to press it down and then pull it out. Should come out just like that. This reel comes off by unclamping the clip, pulling the bearing off, pulling the wheel off, and leaving the other bearing on. Below, there's a bunch of other colors, and you can choose one. I will choose black. Okay, so reverse order, so it's toilet paper over. You put the wheel on there first, the bearing, and then the clip. Take the filament and make a cut in it so it has a nice flush cut. You feed it in the back of this rail. Into the hole. And you can see, like, it has this little burr right there on it. See the burr? So that means I need to cut it again. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so let's try that. Alright, now I should be able to put that in there. You notice it goes down below. Keep feeding it in, and I should be able to push on it lightly, as far as like pushing this way, very lightly, and it squeezes out the tip just a little bit. Just a microscopic inch is all you need. And then you put the door back, bring down the beak so that it falls in that slot, and then rotate the beak down while holding this in the back. So very little force was needed to do all that. Alright, now we have black filament. In order to test it out, do the following. Alright, in the software, I'm going to raise that up 10 millimeters by clicking this button. And I'm going to hit the extrude button Notice the length is 100 millimeters. Extrude. And when you come over here, you'll see it ooze out. I have black filament, so the purple that was in there would need to be flushed out. All you do is have to keep pressing that button until it turns black. That's it. Once in a while, you could take a pair of pliers and pull it out. And that's how you change the filament color.